Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can play with friends online. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you just click here online, and one of you needs to create a game. Like with the two imposters, press confirm. And when you're here, when you create a game, what you want to do is just simply, you have a code here. So you want to take the code and send it to your friends, right? So that's the thing you want to do. Take the code and send it to your friends. And that's pretty much it. And when they have the code, leave the game, and they need to enter the code right here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, guys. I'll be really happy to help you, and yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.